Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize your theme, change your theme on your Windows 11. So if you first time, you beginner using a Microsoft Windows, special Windows 11, you can try to be creative by changing your theme. Select your theme. So all you have to do now, the first thing to do now, you can try to right click on your desktop and click on Personalize. Here we go. This is personalization of Windows 11, and the third option is the themes. Here we go. You can try to select choose a background by slideshow. For image, you can choose the image here. Choose picture album for slideshow and change picture every 30 minutes, for example, up to 6 hour or 1 day. And you can turn on shuffle in picture order and so on. And let's get back to the themes option. Even you can change the color and mouse cursor. And here we go, you can choose combination of wallpaper, sounds and color together to give your desktop more personality. Here we go, you can try to change it. Try one by one. Even you can try to adjust related settings like contrast themes, desktop icon settings, and so on. For more information, you can click on help with themes, getting a new wallpaper every day from Microsoft. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.